Hey everyone, this is Ty and welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you joining me today. So what we're going to be talking about today is this Bassani Road Rage 2 2-in-1 exhaust that I just had installed on my Lowrider ST. Now the color of this exhaust, I've heard people call it black chrome. Bassani calls it Mercury. If you're looking for it, I'll tell you what, I'll put links in the description below for just about everything that we discussed today. Now there's a couple of things that you need to know if you were thinking about purchasing this exhaust. So I'm gonna tell you these details and then I'm gonna quit my yapping and I'm gonna let you guys hear and see this exhaust in action. First of all, you're gonna need to purchase the exhaust, obviously. So that's gonna run you about $1,264. I think I'm right, somewhere around that. It's pretty close. You can get that at your local Harley Davidson dealer, or you can order it from Bassani's website. Also, you're going to need a bracket, a different bracket for the Lowrider ST. Now that bracket, I'll try to get as much detail as I can in the description below. Again, that bracket is going to run you about an additional $64. That way the fitment will be perfect for the Lowrider ST. So before you guys ask, I also know that tuning is going to be a question that many are going to ask, and that's a good question as far as I'm concerned. Now for the tune, you have a couple of different options. You can do the digital download tune. I think it's a one-shot type of thing that your local Harley Davidson dealer can do for you, or you can buy the Screaming Eagle tuner. There's other tuners out there, of course, but I went with the Screaming Eagle tuner in order to keep my warranty intact. So that's gonna run you, I think, around $364. And then if you're unable to do the install yourself, I had White Lightning Harley Davidson do the install for me. They did a fantastic job, they always do. So you're talking about 2 to 3 hours worth of labor there, probably roughly about $400. So all in all, your grand total is gonna be right around, I'll put it down here at the bottom. It is an investment for a exhaust system, but man, this is just spectacular. So now that I've given you the details, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let you guys hear this so you can make the determination if this exhaust is for you or not. All right, well, I've let you guys hear the motorcycle start at idle. We've done a few drive-bys, a few revs, those type of things. Now I think it's time for me to go ahead and gear up. Let's get the motorcycle out on the road and give you guys a live demonstration of what it sounds like. All right, so from a slow roll merging into traffic, and then we're gonna get on it. We'll be quiet and let you guys hear the bike. Sounds good. I wish I could have gone a little further, but we're going to take another turn down here, so just hang with me. So if you guys are wondering what type of exhaust I had on this motorcycle prior to the 2-in-1, it was not stock. I actually had Tab Performance with the zombie baffles. I put those on just to get away from the stock sound as soon as I got the motorcycle. And at the end of the video, I'll remind you, because I'll put a link up here so you guys can go check out that video if you're interested in that product as well. All right, we're going to get down here to this red light and we are going to hang a left and let you guys give it another listen. Here we go. All right, at the top of the hill, we're going to take a left. This will probably be the last one we do. There we go. Such a great sound out of this Bassani 2-in-1. I tell you what, if you guys are thinking about running this product, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in hearing tab performance with zombie baffles, be sure to check up the video. I'll put the link up here for you guys to watch. I'll tell you what, I appreciate y'all joining me today so very much. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.